Right, so we're at the Humber Bridge today and we're going to meet the
Boondockers.
That's right, they're in Skeggy in a minute. I think they still are. So we're going to meet them down there today and we're going to go across this iconic Humber Bridge.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm a big YouTube fan of yours, so I just wanted to say thanks for all the videos. I've really enjoyed them.
Alright, cheers.
Especially all the engine ones.
Alright, cheers. Thanks very much. Cheers, try mate. Didn't say who you was. Here's me replying to you lot, and someone who obviously watches the channel appears. I thought I'd done something wrong then. Sorry for being settled there, mate. I thought I'd done something wrong. Like I've blocked your driveway. I haven't blocked someone's driveway. Oh, you Spunky.
You got any further away, like? Doing marathon to get to you, watch it.
I could have just driven off and made you walk a bit further.
Yeah. Swat.
Oh, man. This sat nav's definitely taking me down some sketchy roads. 1,000 metres, we've got 1,000 metres to go. Oh, hello! Looks like some kind of embankment up here. I don't know if I can get up here or not.
Got here. Oh no, don't leave me on the hill, Mark. Thanks, mate. Oh, is that them there?
Is that them?
A few here.
Oh, if it is.
Oh, we've got a nice sea view. So Mark's parking, see what he's doing.
Parking, bud. Where you are now? Are you manoeuvring or what?
What do you think? These guys are facing forwards. I'll back up a bit. Is it clear?
What, behind you? Yeah, you got plenty of room.
I'm not going to eat Purdy, am I? Right. Just turn you off for a minute.
Hi guys! Hey, are you going to say hi?
Say hi or I'll take your toys away.
Oh. She's going to hide.
You're not usually camera shy.
No, she's not. She's got a little pose and everything now, hasn't she?
Yeah. Yeah, she'll. I'm not doing that again on camera. It looked wrong.
That's the other day and I thought of you. There you go. There's a whiskey.
Is that for you?
Hey?
Is that for you?
Nice bit of bourbon.
Is that for you? Or is that Daddy's, do you think?
When I was in As the other day, I thought of Purdy. A unicorn Easter egg. So Purdy's got the Easter egg and you've got the whiskey, so I think you've got the best.
Is that for Daddy?
No.
No? Oh. Is that one for Daddy, do you think? Which one's Daddy's?
This one is for me.
Is that for you? Are you going to say thank you? Are you going to say thank you? Yeah?
For you, Kirsty, I didn't realise you like red,
wow.
but there you go.
Oh, thank you.
And it says
Prosecco Falls.
Psycho. I thought of you as well.
Thank you very much. Oh, bless you.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Alright.
Oh, wow. You might have to bite a bit at the top. Go on. Keep going. Never give up. We never give up, do we?
That was later.
Yeah, I finally hit a hole in the top.
So I've got the Boondockers parts next to me. Twin has got a bin, so I didn't want to block up the bin. Got a bin there. Got my van, got Spunky's van. And we're parked right on the edge of the beach. Oh no. Get back inside, it's freezing. There you go. Come on. Oh dear. What fridge you got, mate?
It's the Dometic CFX 65, I think. Yeah. It's not the proper dual zone with 2 lids, but it is a dual zone one, as in I can make it either a freezer or a fridge. Yeah. Where the better one has 2 lids, so you can have it as both. Oh, as I said earlier, this will, when I get around to it, be a full slide out job, but at the moment it's just case sliding the fridge out. And just sits there, sitting at 2 degrees, running on the battery compressor, so it's been on my batteries all day, and I'm just at 99% now on my battery, so it uses next to nothing in power. Of course, it's very full of beer and milk and nothing else.
That's all it needs to be full of, isn't it?
That's it. So, rude not to have a German one, sir.
Yeah, I'll have one, yeah.
There you go, thank you very much. It's but basically, even in normal fridge mode, you can put smaller stuff in there and that will stay frozen in that area. Yeah. You can get a little tub in there as well if you want to, but I haven't bothered putting that tub in. Yeah. Obviously you get that. The beauty of it is as well, in the bottom corner, you've got a drain hole. So when it comes to cleaning it, you can clean it right out, pull the drain hole, it just drains out the bottom. Right. And then obviously you've got the basket which pulls in and out, and you've got the divider. Right. Cracking fridge, I can't knock it. Plus, other bonus of it is a little light, so you can see what you're seeing inside on a night time. The lid hinges, so you can change which way you want the lid to work. Just, hey, bless you. You can just on and off the lid to make it open one side or the other. Right. So you don't have to open that way around.
You see, that's the make of it.
It's got Wi-Fi on it as well, as daft as that sounds. But that's basically just for the control of it. So instead of having to constantly mess about or anything, you just, the app on your phone, you can turn it on, turn it off. It's got battery protection, so if your batteries get too low, it turns itself off. And you can also do the temperature off your phone, so you're not having to come and tinker with it if you don't want to. But yeah, that's my fridge. Went for that one because hopefully it goes, when we get the tent out as well, it just goes in the tent. But like this, roughing it with you in the back of my van, it just slides in and out of the bottom of there. And me telly, got to have a telly, haven't you?
Yeah, you're laying width-wise, aren't you?
Yes. Yeah. Not quite full 6 foot, I can't remember what it is. I think I had to cut about 1 inch off the bed, something like that. I'd say once a minute for sleeping, that back bulkhead folds down, so it's right through the van then.
Oh, there's a breakfast done. Right, let's wake up Spunky. Or maybe not. There you go, mate. There is some
Hey!
eggs underneath them beans. I should have put the eggs on the beans, sorry.
No, it's perfect, mate. It's food and I need it after all the beer last night.
Oh, we'll see you next time, yeah.
Yes,
We'll definitely have to do it
Cheers,
again.
buddy. Thank you very much.
Kirsty. Yeah, so to you.
For the hospitality.
Oh, you
Well, thank you for the beer.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Cheers, mate.
Come here, buddy.
Yeah, good to see you, mate.
And you, mate. And you. It's been awesome. You can give me a hand with that bottle of Jack Daniels next time we meet up.
If it's still there.
That's if Dave hadn't
It'll
drank
still
it.
be there.
So we'll definitely do this again, no? Definitely. So,
Brilliant, mate.
all right, bud.
Awesome.
All right.
Awesome.
All right. Nice. Lovely to meet you, Kirsty. So, it's Curly, isn't it?
She's in there somewhere.
Bye.
Wow!
I'm going now. All right, guys.
You've scared
See you later,
me.
buddy.
Cheers. Right.
Safe journey.
Okay, see you later. Ta-da!
In 400 feet, turn left onto Roman Bank.
What an awesome park up. Oh, shame about the bloody road.